Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'm going to discuss how I do trellis to my vegetable garden. In my previous video I have shown how I have put the pots in place in the ground in Florida soil because it's quite sandy. So today from there I'm going to, because I have got many vines in my vegetable garden, so they have to have trellis. I have got two trellis methods here. This one is bamboo sticks. These have grooves as well for the nylon threads to go in, but they are not that supportive compared to these ones. So I picked these ones, and then they look like that. As you can see, this is made of metal and it has got very sturdy grooves for the nylon trellis to go in, and this one goes into the ground and it has got this thing where it is more sturdy to stand and stabilize. So I picked these ones for today. And also I picked this trellis netting. This is 5 feet by 60 feet trellis, and it looks like this. This is the nylon trellis and it is very sturdy, very durable. This nylon trellis, apart from its being nylon, you can't compost this one if you have to take your crop off in the next season. That's the only drawback for this one, but this is very durable, very sturdy, and it can hold heavy crops. That's why I picked this one, and it comes tied in like that, so that it has got already built-in squares, and this is very easy. We can just put it here and then go from there. So hope you enjoy watching this one. Previously we had the trellis with a nylon single thread. It was not built in, so we have to tie this up here, and it's kind of strenuous job. So we decided to go with this already built-in netted one.